Hi Jag fans, and welcome to the JagCorner. It's been a while, hasn't it? If you've been on the website already, you know that Project 1 is kind of a culmination of all of our work on our other projects. So, that being said, let's move on to Project 2. Project 2, we're about 50 to 70% through a game design document. Me and my brother are talking a lot about game mechanics and running ideas past other people as well. We've been working on level design as well, and we have a map of the game laid out. It looks really cool. Project 3, or Brawl as it's now called, we've put together some initial assets, and you've probably noticed the box art on the website. That was months ago, and we haven't done many updates since then. But again, all these projects, they tie into each other, and we're jumping back and forth with keeping things interesting for ourselves. If you've been on the website recently, or in the last month or so, you'll notice that there's an additional project on there called Intellection. That's a working name right now. It could change here in the near future. Anyways, we've been working on a game design document for this one. We're about halfway through it. If you read through the webpage, you'll see that it's going to be kind of like a Othello or Reverse-Eye style game with a lot of additional elements to the gameplay that allow you to change the game board mid-game or swap pieces with your opponent. It will have a story element and an arcade element included in it as well. So go to the page and check out the other details for that project. And again, if you've been on the website, you'll notice up at the top that there's a few more links to additional pages. One of them is called Jagbuntu, and if you go there, it's actually a distribution of Ubuntu where we've modified it so it's right after you install the OS, it's ready to program for the Jaguar. The reason why we put Jagbuntu together was we found that we were spending more time just setting up our environment to program in instead of programming for the Jaguar. Originally, we were thinking of just keeping this to ourselves, but we thought, hey, there may be other people running into the same problems. So we packaged it in a way that we could release it to the rest of the community. So enjoy.
There are a few shoutouts we'd like to make before we wrap this up. We want to congratulate Rush6432 on the Retro Video Gamer Forum for his efforts in porting and coding an impressive version of Heretic to the Jaguar, and anybody else who's involved with that. Check out a video of their work below. Also, another interesting highlight on the Atari Jaguar forum, Orion is porting over his sequel to a Lancer. Thanks to the generosity of other Jaguar fans, he was able to get a working Jaguar CD unit and has begun porting Philia to the Jaguar CD. Check out a video of what Orion has done so far below. It is awesome to see fans pitching in to help things happen, and the dedicated developers behind that work. In celebration of some of the awesome things happening lately, BitJag has put together something small for everyone to enjoy. Click on the question mark below to see what that is. And don't forget to subscribe to JagCorner, and also check us out on the various social media outlets where we try to keep up to date with everything happening in relation to the Atari Jaguar. And we'll see you next time.